pause for leaf blowers. Get your yards ready for Thanksgiving. You know, playing a little football outside. You don't want to roll your ankle in a pile of leaves. What's going on, everybody? I'm Jake. I'm here to give you my essentials for everything you need to prep, to cook, and to serve to execute the perfect Thanksgiving. All right, we're gonna start with the star of the Thanksgiving show, a roasting pan. We have a separate stainless steel insert that allows the drippings to be caught in the tray underneath. High quality craftsmanship, made the same way that we manufacture all of our chef quality stainless clad cookware. I am not a deep fry turkey kind of guy. I roast my turkeys in an oven. Up to a 20-pound turkey, you're set for Thanksgiving. We've got these nice high handles that allow you to get the roaster in and out of the oven without burning yourself. But let's be serious. For Thanksgiving, if you're hosting, you're gonna need one, so you might as well get it in advance. And then use it the following Thanksgiving, and the one after that. Maybe Christmas, because people have turkeys then too. Or brisket for Hanukkah. My baby, stainless clad, MadeIN frying pans. We rave about this pan because it's the only pan you'll need to cook breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and that does not change on November 24th. Is that when Thanksgiving is? Is it always on a Thursday? It's not always the 24th, so we're gonna adjust the date to show the date. You will be using this 5-ply stainless aluminum clad pan, solid stainless steel handle, heavy duty stainless steel rivets, made in Italy, where they don't do Thanksgiving. They make good pans. All of our stainless clad frying pans are the workhorses of commercial kitchens and home kitchens alike. We built our brand off a stainless clad frying pan. Just about anything you need on Thanksgiving Day. I have 2 or 3 of these going at once. Again, stock up on these. You'll use them year round. You'll use them every meal you cook, and it'll be a great addition to your stovetop on Thanksgiving. While we're talking about stainless, let's go to our saucier pan. Saucier is a very fun shape, and it's become a customer favorite. Why I love it is it's because it's a more versatile saucepan. So not only can you cook things like breading or rices or risottos or something like that, but it also gives you a surface area in which you can saute. So you can saute off your vegetables in it. You can do a lot of those side dishes like a mac and cheese or something like that in it. There's no corners where the gravy is gonna get stuck and the whisk goes around nice and easy. Super versatile pan. Again, something you'll use every meal you cook regardless of the day, but especially useful on Thanksgiving. Comes with a lid. French porcelain bakeware. The best porcelain bakeware comes from France. The best clay, super non-porous, incredible thermal conductivity. It can go from freezer to stovetop, back to freezer, and look beautiful when you're serving it on your table. We have all different shapes, different rims, also offer it undecorated. This is great for sides and desserts. Sleeper hit for Thanksgiving, you will see a lot of these on your table. You underestimate just how many large format sides and large format desserts you're gonna be serving to your hungry guests, so do it in style. Talk about another product you might not use every day, but if you're hosting Thanksgiving, you have no choice, so you're gonna buy one from MadeIN. We have designed the perfect turkey serving platter. We've shot turkey on our normal serving platter. It's too small, it doesn't work for a big turkey. Let me show you what I'm talking about. This is the normal serving platter. You should have one of these, they're beautiful. But when you compare it to the size of our Thanksgiving serving platter, you know, it's like night and day, right? For Thanksgiving, you're gonna need this. It'll fit your whole bird, it'll sit on the center of your table, and everyone will be happy, as opposed to having to do like 2 or 3 of them on this, which will look good, but doesn't quite work. Not just are we offering the serving platter, but we also are giving you the tools to carve the bird with it. Carving fork and slicer, French made, fully forged, beautiful knife, beautiful carving fork, easy to use for service on Thanksgiving. Now it's time for pie. We are offering you not just beautiful French porcelain pie dish, beautiful, different color options, rim colors, but also a pie server that matches the rest of our serving utensils. So go check those out as well. But wait, there's more. You might remember the baking slab. This was designed with Chef Nancy Silverton for slab pie. It's almost the size of a half sheet pan. It's beautiful for serving larger format pies. Dutch oven, RDO as we call it in the biz. Entirely made in France, premium enamel cast iron. We've got very clever design as well. We have these kind of clouds here on the underside of the lid. It captures moisture and recirculates it into the pot itself. It's gonna be great for low, slow, all-day cooking, so the food inside doesn't dry out, which is why this is so nice for stuffings. Okay, let's talk about wine. We're not gonna play into that old trope of, oh, you're around all the family, you gotta drink a lot of wine. I don't agree with that. I love my family. But 11th generation, German-made, super high-end wine glasses that you'd see in your best restaurants. They're made universally for all different varietals. I love white wine glasses for their versatility, You can serve all the big reds in them. They take less of a footprint on your table. So if you've got like all these side dishes and mac and cheese all over your table, these won't take up as much space. They're not as tall, so they're not gonna get knocked over when people are swinging carving forks, all that kind of stuff. A lot of you guys might be asking, why MadeIN are you putting so much time and effort designing these products focused on Thanksgiving? And in our opinion, Thanksgiving is not the time to bust out the cutesy, impractical stuff. You should lean into products that are made with quality, focused on performance, and will be durable and withstand many Thanksgivings to come, which is why we've kind of filled out this assortment with products that are just as great as kind of our original stainless-clad cookware, which made us famous. I, for one, am particularly excited to host Thanksgiving this year. I will have all of this product out on display and are very excited for all things except maybe mac and cheese. We put a lot of time and effort into making best-in-class products, and this wider assortment, specifically designed for your Thanksgiving, will not let you down. It'll be the best your food's ever tasted, the best your food's ever looked. From our family to yours, thank you guys for trusting us with Thanksgiving. Have a great holiday season, and if you need anything between now and then, just reach out. If you're hosting Thanksgiving, you need to buy these. You have no choice. Get it through your head. Yeah, I might not use it Sunday night or like Monday when I order a poke bowl, but if I'm hosting Thanksgiving, you need this. You will use these at least once a year and you won't look like idiots in front of your in-laws. Have the right tools for Thanksgiving. That's all I ask, people.